So on my phone, I went on Pinterest to search for a style I can transform my t-shirt into. And then I came across this crop shirts. I really loved it. I fell in love with it. So I decided to make a video to show you guys how I transform my t-shirt into this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another DIY. So today I bring to you another fashion fix. On this video, I have 3 different transformations for you to watch, so do enjoy. Yeah, so the first thing we'll be doing now is to take the length of how short we want our crop to be, and I want my shirt to be 15, the length of my shirt to be 15, so I'll be chalking down 15. That's for the length, and then cutting that off. As you can see, my shirt actually has a pocket, and I'm not going to be taking that out because I want the pocket to still be there after making the shirt, so I'll be leaving that on. If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. After that is done, I'll be working on my sleeves. I won't be taking off my sleeves because I like it, so I'll be keeping it on. The only thing I'll be doing now is trimming it a little bit after my elbow length, and then taking it to my machine to hem all round. Oh yeah, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content, and also click on the subscribe button, you guys, to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to do that. You can also write to me on the comment section below, or you can email me. My email is on the description box below. So once I'm done hemming the sleeve and under of my crop shirt, that is it, you guys. Wasn't that easy? Yeah, this was a really quick one. Okay, so you can decide to wear these buttons open or buttons closed. That is up to you. The next t-shirt I'll be working on. What to do? Oh, okay, yeah, I came across this style also on Pinterest. Let's transform the shirt, you guys. Stick with me, let's do this. So this shirt came with a pocket, and as you can see on the style, there was no pocket, so we'll be taking off this pocket. After discharging the pocket, that's ripping it off, the next thing I'll be doing is cutting off the sleeves. I don't need the sleeves. Okay, I do need them, but not now, not like this. I'll be doing some changes to them, so I'll be ripping them off right now so I could be able to do some changes to them. If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. Next stage is taking off the collar too. I'll be taking off the collar on this shirt. I don't need them. There was no measurement to this. Since it's a shirt that has stripes, I'm just gonna follow the line closer to the collar, and then I will take it off from there, straight line, cut it off with my scissors. And after that is done, the next thing I'll be doing is the buttons on this shirt. I don't need them. I'm going to be taking off the buttons on this shirt because where those buttons are located, I'll be closing that place up. So yeah, I'll be taking off the buttons. After taking off the button on this shirt, the next thing for us to do now is to take the length for our new style. So for the new style, I want it to be as long as 15 inches. So I'll be using my tape to calculate 15 inches and then checking that down. Yeah, so since it's actually stripes, I now know where the line is, so I'll be cutting this out with a straight line And then once that is done, the next thing for us to do now is to close in, you know, where the buttons were located that I took off. I'll be closing that part now, taking that to my machine to close that part.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, if it's love that you need, you can take it.
So because my top will be sitting on my chest area, I will be taking my shoulder to my upper bust from 3.5 to 7. That is, I'll be placing my tape from the edge of the fabric, from the top of the fabric. I'll be placing my tape from 3.5 and then to 7. That is what I'll be checking as my shoulder to my upper bust. And then my shoulder still remains 7. So connecting these both lines together with a curve, I'll be cutting that part out and then trimming my shirt to my round bust, which is 10 inches.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard. Feel it if the time is right. I know you've been waiting, baby. So
I'll be working on the sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and trim the sleeves to my elbow length. That is how long I want it to be. I want it to be on my elbow or just slightly below my elbow. So once that is done, also I'll be placing the first piece of the sleeves on the second piece and then trimming that out to get exact length. Go ahead and place my tape on the top to calculate what I have on the armhole, and then whatever number I get, I'll take that number and then place that on the sleeve too to trim it out, just as seen on the video. Before I go ahead and attach the sleeve to the top, I'll be taking my sleeve to the machine to hem the upper part of the sleeves. Even on the top too, I'll be hemming the upper parts. And then on the sleeves here, I'll be using the elastic I have here to hem the upper part of the sleeves because I want it to be stretchy. I want to get that stretch whenever I put it on, so I'll be using my elastic to hem the upper part of the sleeves. After hemming the upper part of the sleeves with my elastic, this is the finished look. So now I'll be pinning this to the where the armhole is. I'll be pinning the sleeves to the armhole and then taking to my machine to join you guys.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
This is the look number 3 and the final look for this DIY. So I had this style on my phone. I was searching on Pinterest and then I realized I had this style on my phone, and let's go ahead and transform this shirt into this. So this look number 3, you guys, is going to be very easy and quick. Trust me, it will be done in no time. So the first thing for us to do now is take off the sleeves of the shirt. We don't need them, so I'll be taking off the sleeves of the shirt. Once I am done with taking off the sleeves, the next thing for me to do now is to take the length of my new top. The required length of my new top is going to be 15 or 16 to be safe, because I'll be hemming in by ½ an inch. So let's say 16. So yeah, after checking out 16, I'll be cutting this off, and then I will also be cutting out the old neck for this top, because on my new crop top I'm about to make is a one shoulder top. I don't need this old neck. So yeah, I'll be cutting that off to make room for my own. Now we are done with all that, so I'll go ahead and place my ruler now on the fabric in a slanty direction from this angle. Yes, and I will be using my chalk to trace that out too, and then with my free hand I'll be giving it a little bit of curve before cutting the wanted part out. So once I'm done with cutting, I'll be trimming this, making sure that both the upper part and the lower part are equal before taking this to my machine to hem both the upper part of the fabric and the lower part of the fabric. And then once I am done hemming, the next thing for me to do, the next and the last thing for me to do now is to bring one of the sleeves back into the picture. Yes, I'll be bringing one of the sleeve back, and then I'll be attaching that sleeve back to my top because I want it to be one shoulder, so I'll be attaching only just one side and then leaving the other side open. Hope you have subscribed to my channel so you can get notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching my video, you guys. I really appreciate for the newbies. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.